Hi everyone, it's Bea from Bumblebee channel again. Today I want to share with you one of my favorite recipe about making a mini waffles of filet mignon and shrimp. Let's get started. You will need to have bột bánh xèo, prepared flour, turmeric powder, minced green onions, sliced white onion, diced peeled shrimp, beef filet mignon, black pepper, chicken powder, whole milk, Budlight, bean sprouts, Iceberg lettuce, some chopped up cucumber. Now let's mix flour, starting by adding turmeric powder, half can of Budlight and half cup of whole milk. Mix all the ingredients until you get a consistency of flour, then set aside for 1 hour. Remember to save the other half of the Budlight. We're gonna go to use it again later. While waiting for the flour to rise, let's cook the meat. In a pan, add about 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, add the beef and stir it well for about 30 seconds. Then add chicken powder and black pepper. Mix them well. Then add white onion and stir it evenly for about 15 seconds. Then you add shrimp and again stir well until you see the shrimp is cooked. After 1 hour, unwrap the plastic cover and add another half of the Budlight, a pinch of sea salt and green onions. Stir all the ingredients for about 10 seconds. Dip the heads of green onions into oil, then grease the waffle iron. Stir the flour mix and pour the mixture onto the waffle iron. Don't overfill the waffle maker. Then add the cooked meat and bean sprouts. Close the lid and wait until you hear the alarm. Slide waffle from the mini waffle iron when it's ready. Repeat the process until you finish the waffle mixture. Ta-da! It's really yummy to make waffles this way. I serve it with Vietnamese dipping sauce. If you want to know how to make it, watch video number 7 of my Vietnamese dipping sauce on my channel. Also, you can serve it with the Thai barbecue sauce like my partner did. Yo, this is so delicious. You're gonna make this. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. See you guys next video and bye for now.